Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Welcome back to another procrastination session with me, my trusted bottle of thermos of coffee, and a handful of broken dreams and stuff. So, we are working hard on installing this game. Uh, we have decided that we will do that the army way and stop when we have gotten our biggest AA. So we're pretty close now. We are going to level all of this and the Strela, and then we are going to level the Flux, and that's it. Many years of torment will be over, so yeah. It's gonna be nice. Do something else for a change. Let's look what we got here. And of course we are playing the light tanks as always. We got a couple of them here, and we are looking very much forward actually to playing the Pumas. If they're anything like the big light Panzer, then they're gonna be fun, because I really like the AA's capability of the light Panzer. Regarding to politics and the news, what should I ever talk about there? Best not to talk about anything, because I don't agree on any of it. Basically, leave Greenland be, but I'm sure as hell I'm not liking the EU and the socialists. I don't like America taking the United States taking it with force. Now we're going to play this game, and everybody knows that I cannot play and talk at the same time. So let's try to. Oh, stupid. What? Not for me. Look at that. Yes. What's that? He crawled back to the cave where it came from. And of course we got the micro. There's micro scout, which we definitely. Oh, yes. You got me, mama. Never reverse your tractor. I always do that. So yeah. Can I repair? No, cannot repair. Oh, look at that. No, cannot hit it with this tank. So I cannot believe myself. He was just waiting for me. Almost tried to make the same mistake twice. Let's see if we can get some stragglers here in between. No. I know he's just yeah, that was him actually. Oh, don't stand there, dude. How stupid are you? My scout is gone. Probably gonna get bombed, aren't they? He has dropped his bomb. Probably. Choop choop. Huh? No, not that one.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
So we just need to do. Oh yes! Oh my God! Scouting the old-fashioned way. That is. Cannot recognize that name. Oh, look at that! Our friend here. Oh, what the hell? Oh. T90. Probably a nice tank, but now we are definitely going to use my big light panzer to see if they have any scouts. Doesn't look like it. Alt U, little bit off, press H, Alt U again. He's probably short-lived. And where is it? No, too late for that. Ah, come on, don't let them take our shit. Ah, I lost my drone. Look at that. We are definitely, his drone is heading my direction. And did it die or what? Okay. Why do I see? Everybody is just look at that. Is he coming up here, the T80? Probably. Really? He's stupider than stupid, huh? Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah. Come on. Get over this. What's that? 11.3. What the hell am I doing in a game like this? Better take that one. Don't want to waste our. He's got an Osler. That's way too low level for those guys. Oh my God, what happened there, man? Nobody's attacking, huh? Okay, let's go in and die here. Okay. Mickey, drone number 2. What else that his name should indicate? Probably bot 2 or something. Anyways, let's go and do one more or 2 more. I really want to play ships, but there's nobody playing that game. And I accidentally got them deleted my documentation folder. Thank God I sent something with the email so I could recreate it. Oh my God, man. That was stupid of me. Anyways, one more. It's always one more. After this, perhaps doing some news. Perhaps initiating the script. That is, tell him to tell no lies. But have you ever baked buns so good that you're even impressed yourself? Today, I absolutely made some buns that were kicking ass. We're going to this location, and we're going to drop a drone, a scout aircraft, and if it gets shot down fast, then we are up against pros, and if not, then perhaps too high. We're gonna have a circle here. I'm getting lit up by that light tank down there. If you saw that. Another scout for my friends. Perhaps we will take out this. We need to take another alternative approach to looking around corners here. Ah, here's a drone, and my drone is dead. Yes, I got him in the kisser. And he's gonna kill me now. He's gonna come out here. Bird help. Well, thank you. So we need to. His drone has gone to Kingdom Come, and so will I do then. There, and there, yes. Okay then. That's the game. Oh my God, I got them, huh? One shot, man. There's another one. 5. Yeah. I got shut down. That's fun. Of course. That it is getting old pretty fast. Yes. Yeah, yes. 3 scouts, 1 scout. So yeah, there's no chance of winning that game. That I knew. And one sent this scout like 3 kilometers outside the map, so yeah, no chance to get it. And they had probably some good AA as well, since they shot mine down, even though it went also outside the map. So damn if I did, and damn if I do. Okay, last game then. We are definitely going towards A. We hate all that city slick maps. I was also struggling a little bit to be even bothered about this. Let's see if we can be the first one to dive in and have my buddies covering me afterwards, and try to scout. Oh, look at that, how many they got. Oh. Look at that, a weasel. Fun, that was fun. Okay. Any scouts? Looks like the old they did. We got one over there on the other side. He was trying to kill my buddy, wasn't he? I wish I had someone. I wished I had an angel for a moment of love. Oh, did the Sturzwagen die? Let me have somebody. I am definitely reversing in my tractor.
Entfernung 400 Meter. The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Ooh.
Destroy the target.
Let's go back into our shell here.
Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Panzer 11 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter. Panzer 11 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter. Attention to the designated green square. Panzer 12 Uhr.
Didn't I really get you in the kisser?
550 Meter.
Guess not. Oh, he definitely got me, man. Oh, sweet lord, sweet lord.
50 Meter. Most of the strategic zones are captured.
Yeah.
Entfernung.
Little buddy. We are a little bit in trouble. Can I launch the drone? Can I launch the drone? No, not yet. Can launch the drone. And press H.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the designated grid square. Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Panzer 8 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Panzer 8 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter. Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter. Leopard 10 Uhr. Nahbereich. Leopard 10 Uhr.
Shitting light.
Panzer
Bringer of light, man.
Entfernung 350 Meter. Leopard 11 Uhr.
Come on.
Entfernung
Where's that ugly face of yours?
72. 1 Uhr. Nah. Panzer
T-72.
Entfernung 1000 Meter. T-72. 1 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. T-72. 1 Uhr.
Oh shit, man.
Nah.
I knew it. He's slightly on fire. What? Oh my god, what does he say? Chicken shit? We use a chicken shit here. Do we got some? No, not the Panzergranate, yes.
Leopard 12 Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter. Drohne starten.
Getting up high, pressing H,
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
and that's a Tiger.
72. 11 Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter. T-80. 11 Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter.
Let's go to C here. Even though thank God for that, man. Any points appreciated.
10 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter.
Yeah. Activist. What's that? Okay, I was active. That's what. Only 15k for my Russia. Soviet tank. T-72. Isn't that Soviet era? Definitely Soviet era. Isn't that T-72? Is that from 72 or And we of course will take Kampfwagen and 90. And of course we have not full complements of shells, like somebody has told me numerous times on the big internets that that's a waste of good speed and survivability. Of course we're going to scout here, and we're gonna press U, and we're going to take the first one there. Yeah. Stupid thing. And apparently it's still alive. And we are going to make him circle. Don't die, badass. Oh my god. There's no need in... Yes. We are going this direction. Hopefully not to die straight away. Already scouted everything. Oh, come on. We can do it. Okay, finally got something. Let's try to bypass the bugger. Also got our friend here in the front. He's like a lot of what the hell? That is a lot of firepower. That's a T90 and the Leopard 2000. And what else was there? Hopefully we got the Abrams. Oh. Let's see. Oh. They're so overpowered, man. How many 1,000-pound bombs do they got there, man? Okay, we are going the other way around. What the hell happened there? He had like one, and I got the I got your name. I got your number. Thank you very much. Come again. What the hell's going on here? Again, one aircraft. What the hell is that? out of ammo, if you know what I mean.
Entfernung. Leopard. 3 Uhr. G72.
Can I get somebody out in the open here?
100 Meter. G72. 2 Uhr. Entfernung.
Go off this little mountain here, or a hill, or whatever you want to call this, a Terminator.
650 Meter.
God damn it! Huh? Look at that! That's unbelievable.
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Abrams. 12 Uhr. Entfernung. 300
Unbelievable, huh?
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung. 300 Meter. Thank you. Schützenpanzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung. 300 Meter.
That's unbelievable. Overpowered shit. So, gonna take the time again.
Leopard. 12 del mundo. Alcance. 600. A la izquierda. 14 grados. NDP, 10 el punto. Alcance. 500. NDP, 10
El Pepe,
alcance.
is that the
62.
oh my god. Unbearable. Stupid Terminator. Probably killed half of our team. Okay, 2 backups, that's also good. Let's see player statistics. Somebody with 1 or 0 deaths. Sunraina. Yeah. Stupid. Can't believe I'm like so old playing this game. Oh my god, just with my obsession of uninstalling. Just need to finish this, reach my finish goal. I hate this map. Oh my god. So, what are we going to do? We are probably heading this direction, shooting this way, that way, or we can just go this way and get it over and done with as fast as possible. That's also a great plan.
Rechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Need to take this, go there. Have bad experience using that SPD of being unable to. Look at that, we got a Terminator. It was a tough nut to crack. Did our Terminator survive? What's that? I saw a missile. In the air. Oh, I'm cocked at this position. Heck, look at that. Our Terminator, it was made of rubber. It was made of candy. Stupid. Okay. I would have had them if I wasn't that stupid. That is always my biggest worry. What's that? Flieger alarm? Oh, there he is. Yes, bye. 5. Thank you very much. Come again. Oh my god. He's heavy to do eager bunny. A clever bunny. Okay, I'll get the hell out of here. Look at that. A1. That is close support. Look at that. Thank you very much. My god, typical bastards. What the hell is going on with that emo dude? Mama. Come on. I haven't got time to fly. I cannot. can. He's a proper. Oh, that's excellent. Aye! Look at that Terminator. Oh, fucking awesome, man. Useless. Ukrainian. Oh, it's gonna beat down to the wire, huh? Just gonna get. Oh my god. Are you getting attacked from? I am. Look at that. The BMPT is gonna kill everybody. Oh my god. God, I was so small in that game also. 11-3, 11-11. What the hell are you doing, dudes? Well, that calls for one more game. Let's see. Just cancel that. Can I field repair? Do I have anything that's fully... Let's go for leadership. That's an extra percentage point or something like that to my incredible performance. Oh, we are definitely going for. We are going for. Let's see where we land. Yes, we landed there, of course. What we got here? Who am I? What do I got? 10, 10, 7, 10, 7, 11. Oh, sweet lord. Again, up tiered, but that should be fine for my progress, I believe. But which also means that definitely my scout will not survive. Maybe more than luck.
Schützenpanzer, 9 Uhr, Entfernung, 1000 Meter, Schützenpanzer, 8 Uhr, Entfernung, 1000 Meter.
We're going up this hill
Panzer, 10 Uhr,
and scout that
900
one.
Meter, Panzer, 9 Uhr, Entfernung, 900 Meter, T-72, 11 Uhr, Entfernung, 1100
Is he
Meter,
heading my way?
12 Uhr,
Are you heading my way? He's probably one humongous tank.
900 Meter,
Oh, please not already. He's going to bomb me or what?
650 Meter,
F4 Phantom.
3 Uhr,
Is he? Luckily not me. Look at that. Did you see those?
11 Uhr, Entfernung,
Kaplau, he said.
Treibspiegelgeschoss geladen.
Cosbon bombs.
Panzer, 11
That's
Uhr,
very,
Entfernung,
very
1100
soldiery of him.
T-72, 12 Uhr, Entfernung, 1100 Meter, Panzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung, 600 Meter, Schützenpanzer, 10
That
Uhr,
was nice, he got blocked.
850 Meter,
Am I going to ready to get this
T-72,
one?
1 Uhr, Entfernung, 1000 Meter,
Ah, yes, of course.
T-72, 11 Uhr,
Land stuff.
900 Meter,
And my scout is still alive. I don't get it.
11 Uhr, Entfernung, 700 Meter. T-72, 11 Uhr, Entfernung, 950 Meter.
Goddamn, got this barrel, man.
11 Uhr, Entfernung, 700 Meter. T-72, 12 Uhr, Entfernung, 950 Meter.
Oh my god. What the hell happened there? There's a T-72.
12 Uhr, Entfernung, 650 Meter.
What do we got here? Can we...
12 Uhr, Entfernung,
No, we can't.
150 Meter. Treibspiegel
Yes, I got that one as well. Eye for an eye. Was that a good? I did not see what that was. Idiots. Yes. Probably say yes. Ah, we got a Strel, of course. That's good shit. I really like the Strel. That's tactics. And we know that we got the humongous
T-80, 7 Uhr, Entfernung, 1200 Meter. Schützenpanzer, 5 Uhr, Entfernung, 400 Meter. Vorwärts. Verstanden, vorwärts. T-80, 7 Uhr, Entfernung, 1200 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Bravo, 3. Stören. Bravo, 3. Bestätige Koordinaten.
oh my god. You do.
Schützenpanzer, 7 Uhr, Entfernung, 800
Two.
Meter, T-80, 9 Uhr, Panzer, 8 Uhr, Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten, Bravo, 4, Niederhalt,
Strel.
Bravo, Schützenpanzer, 3 Uhr, Entfernung, Panzergranate entladen, Schützenpanzer, 1 Uhr,
Oh my god.
5 Uhr, Panzer, 2 Uhr, Entfernung, 800 Meter,
Oh yeah. Of course.
Alpha, 4.
Knew it.
Schützenpanzer, 11 Uhr, Entfernung, 450 Meter. Fehlschuss, nach links korrigieren. Fehlschuss kurz, kurz, heranrichten, kurz. Schützenpanzer, 1 Uhr, im Nahbereich.
There was no red around that guy. $12,000. How much do I get per game? There's 12 games. What the? Why did I get 2-minute penalty? What? Say what? Oh. Why did I get that? Did I shoot one of the developers? That guy, the last guy. That was a cheat, wasn't it? I bet you saw what I saw, that he was not marked red. He was like in when you're playing realistic. Where was that? All of them. Jeez. Crew training. What was I waiting for? I was waiting for the commander. And I will get what will I get? This is 5, huh? I'll get 2.5, which is 1. I'm currently at 4, I will get 5. Great communication. Currently 680 meters. $160 plus 20. Don't get it. So I'm quite insulted being thrown out like that. 28. Yeah, let's just quit for the night. We got stuff to do. Anyways, my fellow humanoids and the clever bunnies, news tomorrow, and gaming another